Somehow we have to make it up this.
Buckle up, buckaroos.
Ah, holy moly, that would have hurt.
You would have died.
Oh no. Good morning, everybody. Gypsy Trails here. We are hiking Mount Whiteface and Mount Passaconaway today, both on the New Hampshire 48 list. And it's about a 12-mile hike today. We're actually expecting like a couple inches of snow, maybe like up to 8 inches of snow today and tomorrow. So it's gonna be snowing for a little bit on this hike, so that'll be nice, but make for a heck of a commute back though. But look at this trailhead.
We are at Ferncroft Road, and it is just stunning. You actually walk through someone's property who was kind enough to let us pass through.
It's just a wide open field. You can literally see, this is Whiteface. That's a hill. Passaconaway is behind there. So today we are taking the Blueberry Ledge Trail. It is on the terrifying 25 list. There's a couple pretty sketchy ledges and rock scrambles. It's gonna be great. Yeah, shout out to whoever owns the land that the trail passes through. They're kind enough to let hikers use these trails. So big thanks to them.
Are you excited, Evan?
I'm excited to get to the top. Whoop whoop.
So we are 1.7 miles into our hike today, and we are starting to come up on the first boulder scrambles of the trail.
Yeah.
This was entirely covered over by snow when we hiked this trail last in January, so it's really exciting to see it uncovered in all its rocky beauty. So we're just gonna keep going. It's 3 miles to the summit of Whiteface.
Well, yeah, we were literally about to take our spikes off. Good thing we didn't, because yeah, that is solid ice. We could have actually used your crampons, Caroline.
Honestly, yeah.
Here, come and go around the side here, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally, we've been like the past 2 miles has just been like rocks and dirt and hardly any ice, so till now. There we go. Oh wow, I can't wait to see the view up top of here.
Stick to the rock.
Yeah, go over here. Okay. It's been a pretty gradual grade so far, so not super steep. Let's see if we get a view. A little bit. Love these just rock faces though. Okay, here we go. Blueberry Ledge. Nice. What do you say, Caroline?
Amazing day.
Wow.
Beautiful out.
Yeah, it's gonna be even prettier when it starts snowing, huh?
I can't wait. Our first like hike of the season with snow falling. It's gonna be so magical.
Very.
So this hike has been insane. It is unseasonably extremely warm, and it's really funny because we hiked Whiteface and Passaconaway as our first hike of the year of 2021.
Yeah, we did.
And now we're 1 week out from Christmas, and we are re-hiking it in what should have been snow, but now it sticks.
Yep, there was literally like a foot of snow out here, but we had like 2 crazy warm days and all gone. But we're getting more tonight, so this should be the last day these trails are bare for the season. Well, it got pretty steep. Yeah, we were wondering when it would happen. We are getting pretty close.
Well, here we are at the junction of Mount Whiteface and Tom Wiggin Trail, which is not recommended, but honestly that makes us want to go that way.
Makes me want to go that way.
We will not be taking Tom Wiggin today. We are taking a left, and we should be getting to the hardest ledge section soon. There's really only one technical area that I might have to get pulled up from, but hopefully I can do it on my own this time.
We got this.
Half a mile to the summit of Mount Whiteface.
All right. We got to some pretty decent rock scrambles right here. Now look at that. Wow. That's just something. We're gonna have a tough time with this. Ooh. You got this, Caroline. Yep. Nice. Nice. It's a little spooky. This is the Blueberry Ledge Trail. Oh man. All right, so here was the part we were kind of nervous about, but it looks like it's pretty ice-free. Check out this. Look at this view. Squam Lake over in the distance. All right. Imagine if this were just covered in ice. There would be no freaking way.
Nope, we'd have to turn back.
Nice little handle right there.
Yeah, the roots are really nice.
Oh,
but this
I need to get a picture of this.
was crusted in like a foot of snow when we first did it. And we didn't know where the drop off was, so we were really teetering along here. But today's a lot better.
This is about as good as this view gets. Right over here. So summit just up there. Passaconaway. Right there. That's Caro over there. We thought we wouldn't really have much of a view, but here we are. Look at that. Nice little class 3 scramble.
Came out of nowhere.
Oh yeah. So We have come to a dilemma. Look at this. Somehow we have to make it up this.
Buckle up, buckaroos.
This is quite the predicament, Caroline. All right, we're gonna have to do this really carefully. Ooh. Oh my God.
Okay, it's doable.
Okay. There we go.
Nice.
Sweet. I'm right behind you in case you slip.
Then we go down
Then
together.
we both go down. Down there.
I'm so thankful for trees. Alright. It's okay.
Oh yeah, that's nothing.
Yeah, just it looks worse than it was.
Oh yeah,
Alright.
look at this. You got them both.
Oh, there.
Perfect. Okay.
Yeah. Wow. And here I thought we were done with the technical bit.
Oh no. Look at that.
Well, that's the summit right up there. We just finished all the technical rock scrambles, which there are a lot more since I recall in January because they were all snow covered. This trail is no joke, and we're really blessed that there's not too bad ice on the earlier rocks, or it would have been pretty ugly. But behind me here is Mount Passaconaway.
All right, guys, here we are at the summit of Mount Whiteface. Get that view in here. There it is. There it is. How do you feel, Caroline?
So delighted that we made it up the scrambles in one piece.
Oh yeah.
We're still alive.
Oh yes.
And so excited to get to Passaconaway.
Hell yeah. We're not gonna get any views after this until we get to the summit of Passaconaway. We're gonna enjoy this. Probably not gonna stick around too long though. You can see the clouds rolling in over Squam. They're coming.
We just left the summit of Whiteface and we have 3 miles to Mount Passaconaway, and we are heading onto the Rollins trail. Heading down this way. We'll see you soon.
You guys, this trail is downright treacherous right now. This, like, we literally need crampons for this. A lot of hugging the trees, that's for sure.
Yeah, us too.
Whoa. Holy moly, that would have hurt.
You would have died.
Oh no. It started to snow. Look at that. Whoa. We are about halfway in between Whiteface and Passaconaway right now. Whew. All right, guys, we just passed the junction at the Rich campsite. It is pretty snowy now, and it is starting to accumulate.
It is so beautiful.
Oh yeah.
Oh, what an amazing day to be out on the trails.
I know.
Minus the insane ice conditions.
All right, you guys, we are at the summit of Passaconaway. Yeah, not really much to see here. There is an outlook, but it's another like, I don't know, 0.1 or 2 miles. We're not gonna get much of a view today, so we're probably just gonna skip it. Head straight down. It was a pretty crazy hike today so far. So
It's been tough.
yeah, let's just make it down in one piece.
Yes.
Yep, that's about as much of a view as we're gonna get. On our way down now. Just gotta reconnect with the Rollins trail. And yeah, probably about 4.5 miles, get back to the car.
All right, everyone, we just reached the junction of Passaconaway and Whiteface again. And we're gonna be descending back down to Ferncroft Road. It'll be about 3 miles for us. Nice layer of snow powder on the ground. And it is accumulating pretty fast in spite of how gently it's falling.
Oh yeah.
Let's go.
Is this the way? It is. All right. Look at that. Woo! All right, guys, we are done for the day. Total mileage was about 11.5 miles, 4,250 feet of vertical today. Pretty decent. It's been a challenging day, we'll say that, but still a good one nonetheless. And we ended on a happy note with some little snow sprinkles.
Thank you so much for joining us today on our snowy hike day. And we hope you guys have a beautiful Christmas and a wonderful New Year. And we appreciate you sticking with us. And please hit the subscribe button to follow us for future adventures.
Yes, please.
Happy trails.
Happy trails. Oh no.
Okay.
Oh no, 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 no. God, no.
Are you falling, Evan?
I'm slipping into the abyss.
Oh my god. You're stressing me out. Yeah, down a giant rock.
Whoa.
That was bad. How was the hike, Evan?
Wow, so amazing.